Hello dear 8th class students, welcome to today's maths class. So today's topic is surface areas and volume, that is our 14th chapter in our textbook, and we are almost all in the last part of this. So in this the two solid figures were introduced, that is cube and cuboid. So I explained all the formulas related to the cube and all the formulas related to the cuboid. What is its lateral surface area, what is its total surface area, and what is its volume. Cube 3 formulas, cuboid 3 formulas. So and in many problems we applied the formulas and we completed many problems. So last 4 problems, students, this is exercise surface areas and volume, chapter name. Exercise 14.2. This is 7th question. 7th question. A closed box is made up of wood which is 1 centimeter thick. Outer dimensions of the box. See, there is a box. So this is a box. See here. Outer dimensions and inner dimensions. So the up to here it is inner, this is outer. So outer dimensions, inner dimensions. There is a thickness of this sheet is given. See here, students. Closed box is made of wood which is 1 centimeter thick. The outer dimensions of the box. See here. Outer dimensions of the box. See, the box is nothing but cuboid, students. See, only two things we have, two figures we have in this, two solid figures. Cuboid, cube or cuboid, only two. So if all the length, breadth, height all are equal, it is cube. If they are not equal, it is cuboid, like this. So here, see here. Students, this length is L is equal to 5 centimeters, breadth is equal to 4 centimeters, and the height is equal to 7 centimeters. See, the three dimensions are given, means one is length, one is breadth, one is height. See, so length, breadth, height are given. I am finding its volume, outer volume. Volume of this box is length into breadth into height. Length is 5 into 4 into 7. 5 into 4 into 7. 5 4s are 27, the 140 centimeter cube. Over, students. This is the outer volume. Now I am finding the inner volume. See thickness, see here students. Suppose you studied the area of path in 2D geometry, 2D mensuration. So area of this path is equal to total outer rectangle area minus inner rectangle area. Outer minus inner. Total outer minus inner gives this required. Here also to find the volume of this sheet, find the outer volume of the box, inner volume of the box. From outer volume subtract the inner volume, that gives the volume of the sheet. So outer volume we got. Now inner volume. So inner dimensions. See here. Inner dimensions. Inner dimensions. What is the thickness? Inner dimensions I am finding. So thickness of the sheet is equal to, students see, thickness of the sheet is 1 centimeter. Then length becomes what? Actual length is 5. This is outer is 5. Outer 5 minus thickness 1 centimeter means thickness 1 centimeter. So thickness 1 centimeter means so 5 minus this side 1, this side 1. Thickness 1 means both sides the sheet will be there. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. Breadth is 4 actually. But from this, here also this is the breadth. So this side we have to subtract. So this thickness is 1, this thickness is 1. So 2 we have to subtract 2. Then height is equal to 7 actually. But 2 sheets, top and bottom 2 sheets we have to subtract. So this is 5. So inner volume is, inner volume V2 is equal to length into breadth into height. This is 3 into 2 into 5. This is 30. Write down. Outer volume, inner volume. Outer dimensions are given, but inner dimensions are not given. Outer dimensions are given, students, 5, 4, 7. Volume is length into breadth into height. But what about inner dimensions? Not given. But thickness is given. See, suppose this outer, say here I will give an example, 10. This thickness is 1. This thickness also 1. Then what is the inner length? Inner length 10 minus this side 1, this side 1. 10 minus 2. 2 should be subtracted, not 1 time. 2 times, because this side 2 times, no? 10 minus 2. Same way, 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. So then inner volume is this one. So therefore, the question, see the question. Volume of the wood used. Volume of the wood used. Volume of the wood used is equal to outer volume minus inner volume. Outer minus inner. Outer is 110, 140. Inner is 30. Answer is 110 centimeter cube. Answer. Outer dimensions directly given, you know the formula, but inner dimensions little confusion. So total is 5 means this is 1, this is 1. So remaining will be 3. Total is 4 means this is 1, this is 1. 1, 1, 2 subtracted, remaining is 2. Total is 5, 5 means 1, 1 subtraction, 2 subtraction. So total is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5. Right. Complete it, students, and then read the next question. Read the next question. Eight. How many cubes of edge 4 centimeters each can be cut out from the cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 20, 18, 16? See, there is a cuboid. And there is small cubes are cut out from this. From this we are making small cubes. How many cubes we can make? How many cubes we can make? Now, how much material we have and how much material is required for one cube, that we will calculate. So that if you divide the total amount of material by material required for one box, then we will get number of cubes. See here, suppose say 1000 cubic meters material is available. This cube requires a 10 cubic meters material. For each cube, it requires a 10 cubic meter material. How many cubes we can form? So total 10,000 by 10, that is equal to 100 cubes we can form, like this. How many number of cubes we can form means find the volume of this, divided by volume of this. Volume of this divided by volume of this. Then we will get number of cubes formed. So dimensions of this figure is given. Length, breadth, height are given. Volume formula is L into B into H over. Dimensions of this are also given. Cube dimension, the volume formula is side cube, that is x cube. So find the volume of this, find the volume of this, divide this volume by this volume, that gives the number of cubes we are going to form, we are going to get. So this is, I said theory problems are definitely confusing. You have to understand the question. There is no direct statement or direct you should do like this. There is no direct system like that. We have to understand the question and we have to frame our own analysis. See here. So 8th question. See how many edges of the, see here. Let cube, first we are doing about the cube. How much material is required to make the cube? For cube, side is equal to 4 centimeters. Volume V is equal to x cube. 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. Say write 4 into 4 into 4 only. We will cancel afterwards. Volume is x cube. X cube means 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. Or you can write like this also. Leave it. 4 for the 16 for the 64 also you can write. Now, cuboid. This figure. That figure, length is 20, breadth is 18, height is 16. For this cuboid, length 20, breadth 18, height 16 given. Then its volume. Because we are using both volume in two cases, so let us use the volume of this cube as V1, volume of this cuboid as V2. So volume of the cuboid formula, length into breadth into height is equal to 20 into 18 into 16. So we found the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid formula, length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height. Volume of cube formula, x cube. So this is given. So all the dimensions are given. Now see, so total this much material we have. So we have to prepare the small boxes like this. So how many boxes we can prepare? See here. Then number of cuboids formed is equal to the total amount of material. From this only we are making this. See, this is our material. From this only we are making this. So the total material we have V2 by each box requires this much material. So how much material we have? 20 into 18 into 16, this much material we have. Each material required for each box is 4 into 4 into 4. So then we will get the answer that is nothing but number of boxes formed. This is the total amount of material we have. From this only we are making this. How many we will get? How many boxes we can form? Each box requires this much amount of material. So cancel it. Cancel and simplify. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are cancel, 4 5s are 5 18s are 90. So number of cubes, number of cuboids formed or number of boxes formed. Find the that is. So the question is how many cubes? Number of cubes formed. So 90. How many cubes are formed? So this is cube, this is cuboid. So cuboid volume is length into breadth into height, 20 into 18 into 16. This is the cuboid volume, leave it. This is V2. That means this much amount of material we have with us. So material required for each box is this much. So how many boxes we can form? This total volume by this volume is equal to 90 answer. 90 boxes we will get. The box is nothing but cube. Cube or square box, both are same. So write down students, this is over. See here, ninth problem students, how many cuboids of size 432 can be made from the cuboid of size 1296? A big cuboid is there, from that we are making small cuboids. So from the big cuboid we are making small cuboid. So same like previous problem. Divide this volume by this volume, we will get number of small boxes formed. A big box is there. From that we are making small boxes. So how many boxes we can make? See here students. How many cuboids of size 432 centimeters can be made from the cuboid of size 1296? See here. First I will take the big cuboid. Length is 12 centimeters. Breadth is 9 centimeters. Height is 6 centimeters. And its volume is length into breadth into height. This is 12 into 9 into 6. Next, small cuboid. Small cuboid. What are the dimensions? See, dimensions are given. Length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter, height is 2 centimeters. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. This is 4 into 3 into 2. Then number of small cuboids formed. Same like previous problem. How much material we have? This much material we have. That means V1. Total big one. This much material we have. So each box requires how much material? This much V2. So 12 into 9 into 6 by 4 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 3 3 cancel, 4 3s are total 27 students. You do the simplification. 6 6 cancel, 4 3s are 9 3s are 27. 27 boxes we will get 27 answer. That's it. So the last one problem, in the next class we will solve. So let us stop here students. All three problems today I solved are important and difficult also. Lot of confusion, lot of understanding, lot of analysis. So you understand and remember the procedure. And formulas and all are simple, but only why we are dividing. So why we are calculating the volume only, that concept you have to understand.